What up everyone, Korbin TWGR up here on a Thursday afternoon at the winter camp. Just getting ready to build up a fire here, make me some coffee and relax in the snow. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. We got some flurries rolling through, and yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and enjoy. Thanks for joining me everyone. So guys, we're just using an Espit cube today, keeping it simple. Go ahead and let that light up and get moving. It won't take it long. You can see the flame there starting on it. And we should have fire in no time. One thing I like about an Espit cube, it don't take long. Oh, excuse me. We got a nice fire going here, guys. My water's almost boiling. I'm gonna have me a nice cup of coffee, and then I'll probably fetch some more wood. And that way I can have some coffee with a nice fir going here. I got a couple other pieces right here, and I got a little pine right there. I could probably fetch that, but yeah, I'm gonna get me a coffee going here. Alright, looks to be done. This is my new kick, guys. It's the Nescafe Blend and Brew. Oh, it's good stuff, it's good stuff. Hot glove. Hot water. Ooh, I spilled a little. Oh, the aroma. Sweet aroma. Ooh, that fire's having fun. But I'm gonna have to get some more wood here if I don't want it to go out. By the way, guys, this is my forest axe, not my splitting, just so you know. So yeah, we've been getting some snow, guys. I had to switch over to my phone, so sorry about the lower quality, but I don't want to get my good camera wet. So I've been up here, I don't know, a couple hours, maybe even 2.5. And yeah, this storm's just rolled in and it's just coming down. It's nice, it's beautiful. This is probably the most amount of snow I've seen all year. And that's because me and Mel were in St. George for the big snowstorm. The bigger one that came through our area. Yeah, it's usually way more snow than this. This is just a skiff. A skiff. That's it. We have not got a lot of snow here this year. Very strange. So guys, I'm trying out a new fully waterproof sack here. This is the let's get it focused here. Wilderness Technology Dry Light 30+10. So it is a 40 liter, completely waterproof. It's a roll top. It's got a little bit of a back, but not a ton. And a little bit of pad for some rigidity. But it's a very lightweight pack. This is my first time out with it. It's protecting my good camera and all that. All my other gear. It's all nice and dry. I'm really liking it. There's no, the waist belt is really thin, so it's just to hold it from bouncing around on your back. So your shoulders do take the brunt of all the weight. So you don't want to be packing this thing too heavy, but it's worked out well for today. Kept all my gear dry. It's very nice. Loving this snow. It's just coming down. Clouds are rolling in. You can barely see the mountain over there. On the other side. Yeah, this is sweet. All right, I'm enjoying. Right then, I want to thank everyone for joining me on this beautiful day in the backcountry. It's been gorgeous out here. I'm loving the snow and the clouds rolling through. Can't beat it. Anyways, guys, I'm almost back in my truck, so thanks again, everyone. Be safe and adventure on.